Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add an HTML code in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to Websites. And next to your website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder. And before I show you how to add an HTML code, I will create a blank section. So click on add section, select add blank section. Now to add an HTML code here, it's simple. Just click on this plus icon or add element. Then scroll down to embed code, drag and move this element where you want it to be added. Then click on this enter code. Delete this default code and here add your HTML code. I don't have an HTML code, so I will use. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. I don't have an HTML code, so I will use the help or I will get the help of ChatGPT. For my video, give me a simple HTML code to use. Code snippet you can safely use in host to demonstrate how. Now this is my HTML code. You need to paste it here. And after that, click on this embed code. Sometimes your HTML code will be previewed directly, sometimes not. It depends on your HTML code. Now, don't forget to update your website from here to publish this change. Let's view my website live. And this is how to add an HTML code in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.